Okay. So this is Fire and Rain. We keep going. So I'm going to do this now. We have open fifth, and on the third string you slide from the fourth to the sixth. Then 5, 5, 6. Then open 6 as you slide from the sixth to the fourth on the third string. And then 3, 3, 4. And then you hammer on the D string and on the D chord. Then open first, third fret, second string, and then that's open fifth and second fret on the third and second string, and then 2, 2, 2, then 3, 2, pull off, and then open 2, and then second fret, third string, and then you hit the fifth string again with the open third and hammer onto the second. Then second, fourth string, open first, second fret, fourth, it should be hammer on the second string, and then second fret, third string, open first, second fret, third string, and then open sixth and second, and then first fret, third string, second fret, fourth string, first fret, third string, and then open, 3 on the G, open 4, 3, 2, third fret, sixth string, open 3, open 2, and then second fret, first string, 3, open, open, open. Let me play one more time without talking so much.